Hi viewers, welcome to Sandamarai Tools. Today in our channel we going to see AYUDH HS machine model HS152. This machine having 1500 watts universal motor, single phase 230 volt. It will run no load speed 110 rpm. For shifting purpose, above the machine handle is available. It's easy to carry any floor. Backside of the machine, on-off switch is available. This is on-off switch. Okay, machine side you can fix the handle. Machine both this side, this connection is available for right hand side and left hand side. This is the handle. Then below the machine you have V cut for fitting the pipe. When you are fitting the pipe here and locking the chain, after tightening the chain, that pipe will never move from the machine. At that time you can drill the pipe very accurately where you marked. After fixing the pipe, just switch on the motor, then rotate the handle, then our drilling work will be done. While drilling the pipe, mandatory to use the coolant oil. Quickly we will check delivery scope of the machine. With this machine, drill chuck, key, then manual book will come along with the machine. From AYUDH brand, we have accessories for this machine, hole saw, cutter bits and arbors. From all the sizes are available, arbors and cutter bit. This arbor required for fix this cutter bit to the drill chuck. Whatever sizes you need, just give on WhatsApp or mail. You will get the code for this accessories also. This machine you can mount the pipe 42 mm to 323 mm. Exactly 1/4 inch, then up to 12 inch pipe you can mount. For more details and technical data quotation, please contact below given contact number and mail ID. Thank you.